Phelan Smith down in Wallingford. This is my third Trump train of the day. Is this great or what? I got the first three. This one's coming down, heading to New Haven. I hear the horn in the distance. It's taking a long time to get through here. Here it's coming down the track. I'm gonna get right by the barricade here. Oh, this is so cool. And that is something like the S16 train, but not as fast. And the S16 train has 8 cars, and with 250 people, if we can all get on that train on August 7th, that'll be half the train filled up. Think about it. Don't hesitate. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event to bring your family to. S16 train. It's our version of the Trump train that just passed through here in Wallingford.